Share it with your sisters. The dress pattern for middle-aged heart neck. The bow tie is in the middle and the dress is a dress. The upper room and the lower room. This one is made of silk. My sisters. If you want to make this sample, you need a measurement. So this is the scale I used to draw the model. Bust, waist and waist length, this is me. You will have to measure each person's body. Then I applied it to the recipe. Share here so we can get the Arabic. And this pattern is unsewn. My sister has to leave the seam when I sew on the fabric. The length of the dress here, I'll take it to be 90. And then we build a perpendicular line through it. I'll take the shoulder piece. By 3 divided by 2, 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took 16 ha. Then get down to 4 centimeters of gas and take the neck. Divided by 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I'll take it and you'll go down a road. Then I'll take the part. Chest is divided by 5 sisters. 30/80 divided by 5 plus. Is this model? I sew the wide armpit. If you are unlucky, you have wide armpits. From 2 to 3 is equal to 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took it down to 18. Then I'll take it across my chest. Chest divided by 4 plus 2, 80 divided by 4 plus 2, 22. I took it from above. Bottom, I'll take the lower part, which is 35, according to the measurement. On the other hand, I will take a EO divided by 4 plus 2 80 64. Divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. Then I take it down here and I take the lower part. Boobs down ass. Get your ass down here and you'll
Starting
measure
from
it.
the
Down the
waist.
biggest part of the butt is equal to 18. And then we build a perpendicular line across it. I'll take it as a par. Ass divided by 4. You add to 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. Taking it through once is 21. I took 22. Now you're going to go to the dress. And this is the year. You will get the aligned dress. And then I build a perpendicular line, and I back to gas. Split in half and split in half again. Here's 2.5. I took it down. Here, you can take it down to 15. I connected a part of the heart. Write this position. And this heart you will take deep. It's not 7. Then from this position, you will break. Give me the waist. Come out, here's 8. I'll draw the vertical. Along here I'll get 15. I will now see the form of a dress. This dress, you will get the size. is 35 up to 40 cubic meters of gasoline depending on it's each sister's hobby. Then I'll take the part. Shoulder. Let the sisters cover too. One more reduction. And then I'm going to come out, and this is a millimeter of gasoline. 1 ha. Gasoline. You will get the part. The shape of the dress is like this. Now I'm going to cut. Please note that this part of me, there is no seam. You have to leave the seams when we sew on the fabric. Okay. I'll get the dress. If it's the back of the body, I'll put this one together. To the side of the waist let me draw the waist for the back. Split in two. Split in two again. This part you for gasoline ago. Cut off 4 petrol at 16. This will be the back. Later the sisters multiply 1 out because here we will be the folded cloth. And now I'm going to cut the body part first. Follow the blue line. Then I cut the neck. Cut for the shoulder. And the towel you will reduce for me later. There is gasoline in the chest. And this part of the towel, the side road. And you're going to drop 1 gas. And now, we'll give our sisters the way we do, for the hand and the bow. The first is the front sleeve. I'll measure the armpits on my sleeve. I will measure. The front armpit line is 22. Aim armpit guy behind me measure to 3. Then you will add to yourselves 22 plus to 3. 45. You divide 2 by 20 to semicolons. And then I'm going to take down the next part of my chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is equal to 13. I took down 13. And then you tore through 22. Then I split it in half. 2 1. And sisters. Stop this line perpendicular down. And this hand, it's a puffy hand. So here you are going to increase it. This is the year of gasoline. I cut off the sleeve. Then we'll get the sleeve here. If you're lucky, you may draw like this. I can pull this back by the door. Then we'll get the hands of this piece of clothing. So now I'm going to cut the previous part. You guys are going to cut this road before I do. Put this side here. You put this side together. When you put the side, this part of it will be opened. You guys hit this road for me. If we click here, we'll open a lightning tunnel. But if we just open it like that, it won't be enough. Let's make the bow. So I'm going to cut and expand this part. Cut the extension and what I will fold. Put this part in here. Here, ha. Now, you will get a part of this. I'll connect this part. And then next for this one. Go curvy. And then we'll have the size of the mine cutter. This is 10 cubic meters of gasoline for me. And it's going to have a big head and a small head. Let's tie the long bow. You will take 50 for this section. Then we're going to cut this piece. After you cut this piece, go away. When we are lucky, you guys, cut me to pieces like this. 2 pieces like this when I'm lucky. I'm lucky to have this clip. And you're going to turn this bow tie over. Fold in like this. Then this part of your body will. If it is folded, we are lucky. Bend in the front. Then you may pass this. This piece underneath it will be the fabric. Double this piece above. Then you'll twist it like this. You will get the shirt. It'll have a bow at the top. You see the hips. I'll get the part of the shirt that has the bow. So this is how you're going to do it. In a piece of clothing with a bow, according to the same pattern, if you have anything, I don't know, then you will ask. By commenting below, please. I'll see and answer for you. When I see comments, well, I look back. This is the shirt and this is the arm. I wish you success. Thank you, Shincho.